Hello traders, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video. In this video, we are going to analyze gold chart on different time frames, and we are going to check important price action levels that currently gold is following and the key levels that we can use for buying and selling opportunities in next week. So as usually, before going into the price action, we are going to check the latest COT, that is commitment of traders report, and as you can see, this is the latest COT report that we have for this week. And if you check the positions of the managed money right over here, you can see, if you check the positions of the managed money, you can see that they are decreasing their long positions. Also, it is visible from this report that they also decreased their short positions by a good number. So as you can see, they are covering positions from both side, from both long and short side. And the long covering, you can see this is a very big number for this particular report. Also, if we check the chart, you can see this was the previous week long positions, and you can see clearly that this time the long positions is decreasing, or you can say they are currently, yes, we can say they are currently booking profit from this COT report. So yes, as you know that the COT report is released on every Tuesday, and if we check the price movement after this report, let me show you. So this is this right over here, Tuesday. So after Tuesday, you can see on Tuesday we have seen a very small, you can say, a dip, and on Wednesday, and as you can see, they was covering their long positions, means that was completely a bearish sign. And also on it, the impact of FOMC. So combination of both, we have seen a sharp drop. So yes, the impact we already seen. So yes, the impact we already seen on chart. And now what is the sentiment that this particular COT report is generating is currently actually in sideways to bearish side only, because as you can see, they are not adding any fresh position into the long side. But yes, they are decreasing their short positions, and but the number is not that big. So we need more confirmation from the COT for a good buying. But as per the current report, it is currently showing a sideways to bearish trend. Bearish mean a short bearish trend, because overall we have to look for the buy only. Okay, so currently we have to wait for a bullish call from the COT. Also, if we check the latest gold future open interest and volume data, so as you can see from here, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday and Monday. So on Monday, you can see, if we check this volume, this was a drop from previous week, then some little bounce, and then some another little bounce and another little bounce, but another low volume. So volume is not showing a good sign, and it is currently in a, you can see, if we check it combined with previous week, you can see it is almost flat. So we are not getting a proper lift from the volume point of view. Also, if we check the open interest, this blue line right over here, this is also flat to downside. This is also not increasing. So as you can see, both volume plus open interest, they are currently going into the downside, and it is not favoring the current buying sentiment, and we need to wait for, you know, more confirmation, like on next week, or like for 1 to 3 session, we have to wait how volume going to build. So yes, we have to wait for a good buying opportunity. Yes, buy the dip is okay, but I think to get the confirmation, we need to combine all these aspects. Okay, because overall the sentiment is currently we have to look for the buy only. but we need to wait to get more confirmation from these tools. Also, if we check the price action, let's start with a 4-hour time frame first. And as you can see, on 4-hour time frame, we already discussed this chart on Telegram channel also. So on price action, you can see right over here, this was the Monday, and then after Monday we have seen some decline, and on Tuesday we have seen some decline, and on Wednesday, on FOMC day, we have seen a sharp sell-off, and gold price break down two important support in one in one go, or you can say on 4-hour time frame. So the previous support was around 2620 to 2625. Gold price break down this support on this candle, and then the psychological support of 2600. Gold break down these support, and then after testing this trend line support and this support area right over here, you can see previously this was a resistance area, and if we check the trend line, this is the trend line. Gold price took support on this level and bounced back and retested this support area again right over here. So again retested, and then again after taking support on Thursday, we have seen that this price was acting as a major support level around 2588. And on Friday trading session, we have seen another recovery from this support, but price again, I think, closing inside this area. This was the support, and it is currently resistance. So what are the key levels that we have to watch? Let me show you those levels on footprint chart on lower time frame. Let's check the footprint chart on 30-minute, and as you can see, if we switch it to 30-minute time frame, and if we just look at the imbalance that was generated during the sell move, as you can see. So on FOMC day, this was the first imbalance on 30-minute, and the area is 2630 to 2635. After that, we have seen imbalance around this area, 2620 to 2625, and then this area around 2610 to 2615, and then around this area 2600. So these was the imbalances that generated on FOMC selling move. Gold price mitigated this, then this. After this, you can see after testing this, we again seen a very good down move. Then again on Thursday, gold price break out this imbalance area, and then face resistance on this final or the major imbalance area, this imbalance area. So yes, now the key level that we have to watch is this level, or this zone, 2630 to 2635. So if price stays below this, yes, we can expect a continuation into the lower side, and gold price can form a range like this before we see a breakout from this area. Breakout mean either price need to break out the high 2635 on 1 hour or on 4 hour, and price need to stay or sustain above this level, then only a buying possible. But under this, I think we can expect a down move like this, and breakdown from here can result more decline, and we can look for buying opportunities in lower level. So for buy, as currently I am just looking for the buy. Selling is possible on intraday, but I think it's a bit risky, and we have to, we can look for sell of course, but we have to put tight SL near to or around this area, and then we can look for a selling move like this, but as I already told you, I am just looking for a buy opportunity. So we can wait for retest near to this level or lower level. And for the lower level, let me show you what are the levels that we have to watch. So on 4-hour time frame, let's move on to daily time frame now. And the level that we have to watch in lower side, as you can see, on daily time frame, you can see currently the last day candle is a bullish candle. Yes, of course, you can see. But if we zoom in and if we see, the price closed just below to previous, Thursday high. So yes, a consolidation is still possible like this. But a breakout from here can generate a further buying sentiment. So on daily time frame, the lower support is around this area. This is the major support zone that I already discussed many times in Telegram channel. The lower support is of course at this level 2536, and the another levels that we can watch is imbalance area, that is not currently visible on this chart, but the imbalance area is around 22568 to 2575 approx. So around this area we can plan buying on confirmation, or at this level we can plan buy. But what if price break out? Then what we have to wait, and where we can plan buy? For that, I think we need confirmation on breakout of 2650 at least. So if price breakout and sustain above this level, then we can plan buying opportunities for higher levels. Yes, first resistance is this, the major level 2720. But I think once we get this confirmation from a breakout from this level, straight like this, or from lower level, then I think it is good to ride the buy move. Currently on daily time frame is showing some strength, but it is still sideways and we need more confirmation. So now let's move on to the weekly time frame chart, and on weekly time frame you can see the price, yes, showing some rejection from the lower side, but the candle, the price action candle is currently is a bearish candle. Of course, you can see, yes, we have some rejection, but this is not a strong rejection. The candle is still red on weekly time frame. And what are the levels that we have to watch on pivots? The first, you can say the pivot is 2624, and the price just closed below this level. The resistance, immediate resistance, is 2664, then 2704, and into the lower side 2583 around the low, and then S2 is at 2543. So this is the final support that I am expecting, and I'm not expecting any further breakdown from this support. So let's see how price going to react next week. So yes, we need to wait a little on weekly time frame also. The minor ETF, gold miner ETFs, you can see both currently is not showing any good buying sentiment. They are also showing a little bit bearish move, and yes, we have to need more confirmation from these two ETFs. So the current overall summary is, I think we have to wait. We have to wait for confirmation. Either price need to claim the higher level, this level on volume profile. You can see this is the very high volume area. 2650 is the highest point on this volume profile. The price breakout, yes, we can see a very good move into the higher side, or we need to buy from the lower levels. So this is the overall sentiment, and we have to wait for a proper buy entry, and we are going to discuss that on live trading session and live sentiment in Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.